Now today's video we are going to learn the last secondary color by mixing red and blue. Already we have learned that the mixing of blue plus yellow is equal to green and the mixing of yellow plus red is equal to orange. Come on, let's go to our today's video. Friends, now let's do the first experiment. Purple. Friends, when we mix red and blue, we get purple. Red plus blue is equal to purple. Red plus blue is equal to purple. Red plus blue is equal to purple. Yeah. Okay, friends, let's do our second experiment. Mix it, Ninju. Friends, now I am going to mix the colors. Ooh, when we mix these colors, we got purple. Friends, hope you liked the video. I think this video is very useful. So, that's all. Thanks for watching. Your next video. Until then, bye bye.